Hi everyone, I'm Ian from Crack Maths and welcome to this tutorial on how to scale up and scale down. So we're talking about when you know the cost of an item, how much it costs for 2 items, 3 items, 4 items, 5 items. So things like this. I'm going to look at some practice questions here. Let's have a go at this practice question 1, and it says if a book costs £5, how much would it cost for 7 books? Okay, so we know that each book costs £5. Okay, and there's 7 of them. So what we do is we can write 1 equals £5, and then we know that this is direct proportion because we're scaling up and scaling down. So one book costs £5, one lot of 7 times 1 is 7, so that will give us 7 books. So we just have to multiply this 5 by 7 as well to get £35. So we know that if one book costs £5, 7 books will cost £35. So here we go, we've got another question, and it says a movie ticket costs £12. How much would it cost for 4 movie tickets? So I'm going to write it out here. So 1 is 12. I'm going to go a different way around this one. I'm going to build up to it this time just so you can see different routes. So if one ticket is £12, 2 tickets will be £24 because each person's having to pay £12. If 2 tickets is £12, then that means that 4 tickets will cost £48 because we're just doubling again. So 2 lots of 2 is 4, 2 lots of 24 is 48. So there we have it. 1 ticket costs £12, 4 tickets cost £48. I'm going to try one more like this, and then I'm going to look at when we're not told how much one costs, when we're told a different amount. So let's have a look here at this next question, which is if a bag of chips costs £2, how much would it cost for 5 bags? So one bag is £2. We want 5 bags. So 1 times 5 is 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. So therefore we can see that 5 bags of crisps will cost £10. Okay, so now I've got a slightly different type of question. I've been given the cost of a group of them, and I need to find the cost of one. So my question says, if 9 pencils cost £4.50, how much would 1 pencil cost? So I'm going to write this down. 9 equals £4.50. Okay, so if 9 equals £4.50, I want 1. So to go from 9 to 1, I divide by 9. I divide by 9 on the other side as well. So I'm going to do 450 divided by 9, and that's going to be 0.5, which will be 50 pence. Okay, so 1 pencil would cost 50p. Let's try another. If 6 cans of pop cost £9, how much does 1 can of pop cost? So 6 cans of pop equals £9. How much does 1 can cost? So again, what we're going to do is we're going to do 6 divided by 6 to get 1, and then we need to do the 9 divided by the 6 as well. So I can do that on my calculator. 9 divided by 6 equals 1.5. So 1 can of pop will be 1.5, £1.50. Right, let's try one more, and then we'll move to the scenario questions just to see about when these kind of skills are combined. So this time we've got if 3 oranges cost £2.25, how much does 1 orange cost? So we know 3 oranges equals 2.25. I want 1, so we're going to have to divide both sides by 3. So 2.25 divided by 3 equals 0.75. So 1 orange would cost 75p. Right, let's have a look at the scenario questions. So here we are. First scenario question. It says you're planning a road trip. You know that it takes you 1 hour to travel 60 miles. The road trip is 300 miles. How long would you estimate it would take you? So we know that 60 miles is 1 hour, and we want to work out how long it's going to take you to do 300 miles. So this is a bit different because we're not going from 1 this time. We're going from 60 miles, and we're trying to get up to 300 miles. So I'm going to write this down. 60 miles equals 1 hour. Okay. Now, underneath it, I'm going to write 300 miles. What I need to work out is how much of that, how many lots of 60 make up 300. So I need to do 300 divided by 60 and see what that gives me. So I'm going to do that on my calculator. 300 divided by 60 equals 5. So there we go. So I can see that that's 5 lots. Okay, so if I know that that's 5 lots of 60 miles, I know that's 5 lots of 1 hour. So I know that this journey should take me roughly 5 hours. Okay, question 4 now. You are buying 5 tickets for a concert. You know your friend bought 3 tickets for £180. How much would you expect to pay? Right, so 3 tickets is £180. Therefore, we can work out 1 ticket. So if we do 3 divided by 3, that gives us 1 ticket. 180 divided by 3 gives us 60. So we can see that 1 ticket is £60. We want 5 tickets, so we're going to have to multiply that cost by 5. So we can see that 5 tickets will equal £300. So you could expect to pay £300. Lovely to see you. I hope that was all make sense. If you need to revisit it, please just pause, rewatch, take the videos at your own pace. And if you want more practice, there's lots of questions over at crackmaths.co.uk. And this was tutorial 25. Okay, I'll catch you soon. Bye.